Let's check it out. This is just with the factory variable speed control on the lowest setting. I did not adjust the low speed trim. This is just what you get straight from the factory. Not bad.
Nice low speed.
Yeah.
A little bit of hum.
It's got that like stereotypical variable speed that I remember some fans in my childhood having, so I'm actually not mad at that. I'll turn it. Almost sounds like something is loose. It would probably go away. Either that or some rubber washers. Oh wow, that thing really flies.
Hello.
The air, it moves.
Indeed.
Nice little breeze from it. Yeah, back here I can tell that there's air moving, but that's it. But that's still pretty impressive for something this small.
It's completely steady too. I don't see any hint of wobble.
Yeah. Let's try it in reverse. Surprised it doesn't have a reverse pull chain. That's what I would have expected. Sometimes if I'm hanging a new Unbox fan, I'll do an unboxing video. I didn't in this case because we were watching the game, and also because I wasn't 100% sure that all the pieces were there because the box was kind of tattered. So I wanted to just do it at my own pace. Okay. Let's try it in reverse. I almost wonder, because of the two sets of blades, did they have originally have two motors for sale and somebody bought one of the motors and didn't realize that there were blades there? Because you notice that motor box says motor only, blades sold separately or whatever.
Yeah, it's one of those.
I mean, when it was donated to the store, I don't think they realized that the blades went with it. Draws a little bit less current in reverse. Variable speed knob clicks off, but I'm not using that in the video. Here, I'll take that if you're looking for a place for that. Now this could go over your dining room table or whatever.
Yes, it could. Although, is that the down rod that came with it?
Yes.
You'd have to get a much shorter down rod.
I mean, with this factory mounting bracket, a lot more of the down rod would be inside the canopy.
Ah, true.
Also, I'd feel a little funny putting a light kit on it since it's a brand new switch cap that's never been bungled.
Mm-hmm. 'Cause it has the bell canopy, which I much like.
I like that too. Did I remember to reverse it? I can't remember. Let's find out with the...
I think you're still in updraft. Yeah.
Okay. I've been bad about remembering that today. The last time I did it and didn't realize that I did, and then did it back.
Yeah.
2 microfarads. Once again,
Yeah.
2 microfarads gets us going.
That's all she wrote.
Yeah.
Or she blues.
Now that'd be cool to have a bunch of these hanging like in a restaurant or something. Fans that small going that slow.
Classy.
There's 4 microfarads, 0.17. That's about the same as the factory low, I think. 5 microfarads, 0.22. 6. 0.26. 7.29. 8.32. 9.34. 10.37. 11.37. 12.38. Interesting. We got a much slower low speed with the capacitor. Turning it 1/8 of a turn, 0.33. 1/8 of a turn, 0.44. Then high, and off. Stop. Oh, you're filming. I was going to stop it by hand, but you probably don't want that in your shot. Okay, just get a good close-up.
Yeah,
of
just
it
let her
instead.
spin down.
Yeah, depending on what angle I get it from, it still looks green, and I hate that, because it's not green in here. There's nothing in here that's green.
Nothing at all.
There's a blue rug. There's some blue towels.
Yeah, I don't see how that would be.
Those green light fixtures back at the other end, but...
Okay.
I wanted to try it again, because if I wasn't mistaken, it started before the 2 microfarad. But now it doesn't. Weird. Well, that's interesting. One, 2. Now it starts with the 2 again. Maybe it just depends on where the rotor is positioned. No, because it didn't stall out with 2 before, did it? Weird. I can't get it to start from 2 one good time. But maybe this time. No, it's still gonna stall out. Maybe if I look back in the video. Do you remember, Andy? It did start from 2, right?
I think so.
Then you made a comment that that's all it needs or something like that, because a lot of them have been starting at 2.
Yeah.
Now I can't get it to duplicate that.